Arutwo 993,226 nio mekire kigeranio gya KCSE mwaka muhituku wa 2025. Ino ari nyongerera ya gicunji kia 3.19 hari igana ukiringithania na arutwo 962,512 aria mekire kigeranio gya KCSE mwaka wa 2024.
Our chairperson, NEC, Professor
Akianirira maumirira maya thukuru-ini wa secondary wa AIC Chebisas mwena wa Eldoret, Minister wa Githomo Julius Ogamba atariirie ati arutwo aria mekire kigeranio kia mwaka muhituku wa 2025 ni mandikithitie maumirira mega ukiringithania na mwaka wa 2024.
KCSE examination, the 2025 KCSE examination results have been graded using the reviewed grading system in which the overall grade at KCSE examination considers mathematics, the best performing language among English, Swahili, and Kenyan Sign Language, and the best performed 5 subjects.
Arutwo 1,932 nio mandikithitie grade ya A-plane thukuru cia gikiro kia national igitongoria ithabu-ini riri na arutwo 1,526 ikirumirirwo ni thukuru cia gikiro kia extra county na arutwo 197 na arutwo 185 kuma thukuru cia andu kiumbe.
Sub-county schools, however, produced more candidates in the category of C+ and above compared to county schools, accounting for 72,699 and 36,600 respectively.
Ihinda-ini o riu namba ya arutwo aria matanyitwo kuingira university mwaka uyu thutha wa kwigwatira grade ya C+ guthii na iguru ni yabatirite nginyagia arutwo 270,715 kuma arutwo 246,391 mwaka wa 2024. Riri namba ya arutwo aria megwatiire grade ya C- guthii na iguru nayo yabatirite kinyagia arutwo 507,131 ukiringithania na arutwo 476,889 mwaka wa 2024.
Number of candidates attaining a pass grade, which is grade D+ and above, was 634,082, which is 63.67% in the year 2025, compared to 605,774, which is 62.76% in the year 2024.
Ona kuhanura uguo arutwo 1,180 ni makanjirwo maumirira mao ma igeranio thutha wa kunyitikana na ciiko cia wici wa igeranio.
The conclusion of the KCSE examination, 1,180 candidates were found to have been involved in examination irregularities. Consequently, and in line with the applicable law and regulations, their examination results have been cancelled.
Kuringana na kanjo ya igeranio, mathomo 17 ni marandikithitie maumirira mega ota mwaka wa 2024. Riri mathomo 11 marandikithitie maumirira mathi ukiringithania na mathomo 10 mwaka wa 2024. Arutwo airetu marandikithitie maumirira mega thiini wa mathomo matandatu ukiringithania na imwana. Mathomo maya ari hamwe na Githungu, Githwairi, rũthiomi rwa njĩra ya ciiko, home science, CRE na art and design. Arutwo a imwana nao marandikithitie maumirira mega ukiringithania na airetu thiini wa mathomo 11 maria ni hamwe na mathabu, biology, chemistry, general science, history and government na geography.
Performance of male candidates was comparable to their female counterparts in the following 7 subjects: physics, agriculture, computer studies, French, German, Arabic, and music.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadĩrwo.